It is health which is our real wealth and not the pieces of gold and silver. So, to save our real wealth, we are here with our project, Pollution Guard. Every day in Delhi is like breathing around 10 to 15 cigarettes. And we want to reduce that. So, for that, we have created this app. This app consists of two portals, one being the citizen portal and the second one being the authority portal. So, the overall structure has been maintained in a very user interactive manner. Over at the top, you can see a climate clock. This represents the time left to the increasing of the Earth's temperature by 1.5 degrees Celsius. This is called as the climate clock. Now let's enter the citizen dashboard. We can locate our ward and we can do a ward wise AQI search. As we can see, I'll do for Rohini. It'll show me the current AQI along with all the AQI measures, including PM 2.5, 10, NO2, etc. Now we have got a CO2 budget. It tells us the amount of carbon dioxide which the ward can emit before reaching the 1.5 degree Celsius mark. Now, for every personal user, we have got a health advisory. This will recommend them how much they can travel every day, which would be okay for them. So, and what should be the measures they should take, like we recommend the mask, etc. Now, one of the most innovative features that we have is our checkbox. So, to work as a society in reducing this pollution, we have made this credit limit. So, what happens is that every person does any activity which helps or contributes in reducing pollution can be put in over here. They can put a pic of it on the portal and they will be getting some credits or some points for that. And now let me show you. Like supposedly, if a person stays hydrated, this is for their own safety, and they runs a air purifier, so they would be getting some credits for that. Now, on the other hand, if I go to take action, it's on a society-wise level. So if they use a public transport or they don't burn waste, so as you can see, the credits are being increased. These are the ward-wise credits. Now the ward with maximum of the credits would win some prize, and in return they could get an increased budget, or they could get some incentives like construction of roads or some of the problems which can be solved which they face. Now let's go to the other portal. So this is our authority hub. In this, as you can see, as I added the credits are displayed over here for every of our ward. This is a ward monitoring system which tells us, and now we can do the policy simulator. So overall, over here we can enable policies through which we can reduce the pollution. This is the current AQI, and it tells us the primary source over there. Including this, we can activate the emergency protocols. This is all ward wise. Now let's go to the policy simulator. What happens is that this policy simulator simulates and predicts how much of the policy impacts would or influences could be seen later on. Supposedly, I reduce the traffic by 20%, or the war traffic could be reduced by 20%, and the dust suppression is done by the government at 50% rate, and we ban the construction. So it'll show how much the current projection of the current AQI is 299 and it is projected to be 193. So this is our project. Thank you so much.